सुप्रभातं छात्राः। दशमः पाठः नीतिनवनीतं। नीतिनवनीतं, as name refers, is a lesson which gives collection of moral values. In this lesson we are going to learn some shlokas which gives us moral value and teaches us how to behave in this society, how to act with others and other values we are going to learn. So let us learn these shlokas one by one and improve our character. अभिवादनशीलस्य नित्यं वृद्धोपसेविनः चत्वारि तस्य वर्धन्ते आयुर्विद्या यशोबलम्. अभिवादनशीलस्य नित्यं वृद्ध उपसेविनः चत्वारि तस्य वर्धन्ते आयुः विद्या यशः balam. So in this shloka we are learning the value of respecting elders. So how one person can be successful in his life by serving to elders. This shloka says that Abhivadana Shilasya. Abhivadana Shilaha means the person, one who has the nature of respecting elders. Abhivadana means saluting, respecting elders. Abhivadana Shilasya, by nature, one who is respecting elders. And Nityam Vruddhopasevinaha, Nityam, every day, Vruddha Upasevinaha, serves to elders. So, respecting elders and serving elders should be our basic nature. If we are like that, what will happen? Chatvari tasya vardhante. His four qualities will increase. Chatvari, four means four. Tasya vardhante. Four of his qualities will increase. What are they? Ayuhu vidya yashaha balam. Ayuhu means age. Vidya, knowledge. Yashaha, success. Balam, strength. These four qualities will increase by serving to elders and respecting them. Ayuhu means we can live for long life. Vidya will get a good knowledge. Yashaha will be successful in our life. And balam, our strength also will increase. The person, one who have the nature of saluting elders and always serves them, his four qualities like age, knowledge, success and strength will increase. So knowing this, always we must make it habit that we should respect elders like parents, grandparents, relatives and all other old aged people who are there around us. So by respecting them we can be successful in our life. Abhivadana Shilasya, one who salutes elders, Nityam, daily, Vruddhopasevinaha, serves elders, Chatvari, four, Vardhante, increases, Ayuhu, age, Vidya, knowledge, Yashaha, success, Balam, strength. Yam mata pitarau klesham sahete sambhave nrinam natasya nishkriti shakya कर्तुम वर्षशतैरपि. यम माता पितरौ क्लेशम सहेते संभवे नृणाम न तस्य निष्कृतिः शक्या कर्तुम वर्षशतैः अपि. Children, we know that how our parents are struggling to make us knowledgeable, how they are struggling to give education for us, how they are struggling to give all comforts. So our parents, yam mata pitarau klesham sahete, they are bearing many difficulties. Sambhave nrinam, to make one person a good citizen of this country. Na tasya nishkriti shakya kartum varshashatairapi. So we cannot repay that for that effort even if we work for 100 years. Varshashatairihi api, even in 100 years we can repay that great sacrifice of parents. So what we need supposed to do for that great sacrifice of parents? We need to be humble, polite to our parents, and we must respect our parents throughout our life until the end of their life. We need to keep our parents happily, comfortably. For any reason we are not supposed to hurt them. That is, on that way we can repay for their effort. Parents bear many difficulties to make their children into good citizens. It is not possible to repay for their sacrifice even in 100 years. Mata Pitarau, parents, klesham, difficulties, sahete, bear, sambhave, to growth, nranam, of human being, nishkritihi, repay, varshashateirapi, even in 100 years. So children, we learned 2 shlokas of this lesson today. Please learn this shloka with the translation and word meanings. Let us continue with next shloka tomorrow.